for the Kim signal. Kim take for 5 minutes. She confirmed me to start the meeting now.
Okay.
Okay, so I'm just going to share the screen first. Then Kim, you can record. Okay, so I have shared my screen. Today class about the Google search campaign. So in the previous class, we have discussed regarding the Google Ads basic and a performance max campaign. So today in the today's sessions, we'll discuss regarding the Google search campaign, how they work and what is the benefits, the procedure. Also, I'll create a Google search campaign so that we can understand how to create a Google search campaign. So first of all, I'll show you an example. Search a if I search by a keyword on Google, we'll see that how search campaign displayed on Google. So here is a keyword Rhino Power. So for Rhino Power, I'm working on search campaign for another project. So I search on Google by Rhino Power. Then you will see that here is the sponsored showing on the top. So for this keyword search volume is a good search volume, like 5,000 search volume for the keyword. So for the Rhino Power, our ad, my ad is showing on the top whenever I search by the Rhino Power. So this is the ad. So in that there are few things we need to notice. Like if I mark the ads or camping, you'll see that here are a few parts are showing. First of all, here are showing is sponsored. That means that is not organic. Is coming to the first page by the ads. Also here is the brand logo. Also here is the brand name. Here is the brand URL or landing URL that I have used. And here is the keyword that I used on the keyword session or the header sessions. There is the descriptions. This called description, and this is the extension. I have used multiple extension here. Here all of the extension are visible on step by step. So this is the search campaign. So how can I have create this? I will show you how can I create this, but I am just now going to brief what is the search campaign and their process, and there are some rules and regulations so that we can, whenever we start running the campaign, we can understand better. So this is the search campaign, and here also you'll notice that some products are showing. So this is not search campaign. This is performance max or shopping campaign. So in the search campaign, also here you will notice that there is the image. Here is the showing an image. So we need to also use the image on the ads. So if I go to the slide that I have prepared, so this is the search campaign. In the search campaign, first of all, I have also shown here that there are some. Here is the logo, business name, display path. That means which URL or which landing page will show on the display path, and customer. If customer click on the camping, which landing page will be direct the customer to the website. Also, here is the headlines 1, 2, 3. So here in the headline we can use only 30 character, not more than 30 character. So you will notice that the length of this sentence is more than 50 or 60. So the headline will be the combination of 2 or 3 headlines from that we'll use on the Google Ads. So the first headline or the title will be combination of the 2 or 3 headlines when we will use on the Google Ads. And here's the 1, 2 descriptions. So the Google allow always to use 90 character as a description, but you will see that here is more than 90 character. If I count the number, here is 110 character. So here is 110 characters. So we can use only 90 characters. That means in the second sessions on the description part, Google will combine 2 description on here, displaying here. you'll see that here are dots. There are some device, that means I'm using laptop. Some people will use mobile phone. In mobile phone the character will be 60. In desktop it will be the 90 character. Other device allow 110 to 20 character on the description sessions. Okay, so this is the description. We can use 5 description in the description session of the Google search camping. The length of the description will not be more than 90 character. Also here are given some extensions. So the extension name is given here. First extension is the structure extension. So if I show you the structure extension, here is the structure extension. Shop now, shop drink, powder or bar, before, after, like this is the structure extension. And location extension, you will see that sometimes not on the airs, like here are showing the locations, like this is for Australia and Canada. Location will be shown here.
Hey, I have a question.
Sure.
So how do you make that work, or in the SEO side of it? Like, you see how you did that search and it gave like the sub pages. Is that something we could do? Is that something on the SEO side, or how does that work? You get what I'm saying?
Yeah, for SU, right?
You see
SU
the
side.
sponsor link. You see the sponsor link. You see shop now, buy apparel, pre-built packages,
Mhm.
etc., etc. Even if you scroll down, and if it's not an ad, they have the same thing, right?
Yeah, yeah.
But if you type in Wizinator or you type in Island or Expedition, um, you don't get the same type of view.
Understand. So if we implement this session on the SU, we need to connect the those page with the main page. There
How
is a
do we do that?
there is a session on the website, like pages sessions. On the pages session we can connect those pages with the
How? How?
uh, it need to be add few pages on the pages session of the website. Should I
Can
give
you
you
can you show
give
an example?
sure. So for this, I have done this for the Shopify website. So I'm just going to a Shopify website so that you can understand. Mm, like this website. Also, I think developer can give you more accurate solution on this, but I have done this for this website. So this is the Shopify website. If I go there, there is the online store pages. On the pages sessions, you will see that, sorry, not pages, navigations. On the navigation sessions, you will see that footer and menu are connected with the shop collection new arrival blocks. Can you see? Shan, can you see? Are you there, Shan?
Yeah, I see that, but go look at sales rate, or go look at board. Type in sales rate, or go look at board. If you go search Google,
Can you please give me the search term on the chat?
do do board or sales rate.
SELTZERS, right?
He says that. Scroll down. Sales rate. And now type in eight. Put eight at the end. Put 8
Mhm.
at the end. Enter.
Yeah, here also showing the
Oh, we're number one?
no, this is the brand keyword. Brand keyword always show the number one.
That's not the brand keyword.
Yeah, this is the like
Self-rate is our keyword.
yeah, we are number one. I need to
Oh,
check it
that's not
from
us.
the
That's not us. That's not us. That's not us.
yeah. This is not our website.
Wait,
This is
it is.
an
Is it us? Yeah, it is us. Yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah, we are number one. Okay, he does have the sub pages. Put in Wizinator. I want to see Wizinator.
you're missing an I.
here is the
Okay,
originator.
there.
Can you see?
We're not number
Not
one.
that one.
Sorry,
We're
sorry.
not number one.
There is the pronunciation
Yeah.
error. I need to check it from the incognito mode. Motorcycles. Yeah, we are
That
number one at this moment. No, we are
that's
not
not
number one.
us.
Yeah, we are number three.
Oh my! We're not even number three. We're like number four.
Mm, Wikipedia second, then we are third. Like
We're not
Wiki,
third. We're number four. The first
Yeah,
one's not even an
yeah, count
ad.
in Wikipedia.
we do not count Wikipedia, Google, other search
You
engines.
have to count Wikipedia.
Okay, if you count Wikipedia, then we number four.
Yes, thank you.
Okay, so
But you see, there's no submenu. Um,
Shan, I will check this and discuss regarding this with the development team, and I give them suggestion
okay,
how
this is
to
part of
sort this.
SEO. This has to be done correctly.
Yeah,
Okay,
sure.
okay, sorry. I'll let you
It's
have
noted. It's noted. I will work on this. Okay, so this is the location extension and also the cycling extension, price extension. You will see that sometimes here are showing the price. So if I show you the example on the sponsor ad, this is not showing. Like here will show the price like $10, $30. Here showing the calling extension, but on if you use the price extension, here you will see that like $5, $10 as extension. Also the extension, whenever you have the apps for your website, here also show the apps for download. Also the promotional extension, like you have the promotion for $5 $10 discount, it also show on the on here. So lead from extension, sometimes we need to collect lead. So here show a lead from like subscribe now, uh, quote now, like this. So those will be visible on the last session of the ads whenever we use extension on the ads. So this is the extension part. So if I divided the camping like search camping with the multiple part, like first one is the headline, second one is the description, third one is the extension. So in a search camping there are basically there are three part. One is the headline, another is the description, and then last one is the extension. So those three parts is more important, but most important is the title or the header line. So in the title we need to focus the exact information regarding your product, business, service, anything that you are running for the search campaign. So I will show how to optimize the keyword or select the proper keyword for any search campaign that we'll use on the title. Okay, so now I'm going to the next slide. If I go to the next slide, here is the search campaign. So there are many parts of search campaign. One is the research part, another is the setup part, and last one is the creation part. So what is the research part? So suppose you are running a search campaign for a business that are selling like cars, or they are doing business for the tracking business. So we need to research the business. What is the competitor doing? What competitor are doing? How the ad running? Which ad are showing on the top of the on the Google? Then based on this, you need to research the business that you are will run the campaign. Then landing page research. Before running the ads, you need to check the landing page. Like suppose this is another website. We will run the we will run the ads for the website. So how to research the landing page? Landing, if the landing page is perfect and okay, then it will be more sorted for generating the sufficient audience, also the conversions. Like how can you check the landing page? Okay, before running that, you need to check the landing page. Like I think the SEO or in one click are not install at this moment. I'm just going to install SEO in one click. Yeah, this is the landing page, and you need to see that landing pages are properly optimized. Like here the title or the meta title are properly optimized, description also properly optimized. If I see the uh, like header sessions also given the keywords that we are running, will run the ads. So landing page properly optimized, and there are no any bug issue on the landing page. Also SSL are also installed on the landing page, so we can run the ads for this landing page at this moment. And competitor research. So like you will run the ads for the URL. Like in this URL there are some keywords, so how can I find the keywords, which keyword are already indexed on Google or understand by Google for the landing page or the website. So first, if you want to research the keyword, go to the Google Ads account and click on the tools and settings, click on the keyword planners, then discover new keywords, click on here. Then you will see that there is the start with keywords, start with website. Click on the start with website, because I will engrave the website link here and check the keywords. There are also two parts. Sorry, there is a language. Always you can select the default language that you want to target. I selected English, though this is the United States website. Also as a location, I use United States. And here is the two column. One is use the entire website, here use this link. That means the website I have given here, I am researching the keyword for overall website. And if I use this link only, the keyword list will be given for this link only. So whenever you research keyword for running any campaign, you need to click on here only this page and get started or get result. So whenever you will see that get result, you will see that here are many keywords are come here. Like almost 2000 keyword has come based on the based on the page. And you also notice this in account, in some keyword here showing in account. That means those keyword already are attached on this account or run ad in this from this account. For this reason they are showing in account. That means already run ads for those keywords. So we need to research the keyword properly from here, and based on the keyword we need to research the competitors. Like carbide cutting tools, if I search carbide cutting tools on the suggested location, like for the United States, you will see that here are many competitors are running ads. Those are the performance and shopping camping. So I'm just seeing the organic or the sponsor search in sponsor. So this is another company getting top without any ads. That means they are ranked on the first page for this keyword. So if I go down, we can see that some camping are running like this. Uh, this is the sponsor for the keyword. For this keyword, this is the sponsor ad and search camping. So we need to research the competitors. Like this is the competitor, uh, zguycarbide.com. So they have run carbide cutting tools, custom made, and ODM something. And here is the ad copies. So they are on the top by the ads. So we need to check their description, headlines, also the ad structure. By seeing that, we can take the decision how can we run the ads, because we need to check the ads that are showing in the tops. So this is the ads not on, no, not showing on the top, because I think uh, their camping policy and the marketing strategy are not good. For this reason, they are not showing on the top. If their camping policy must marketing strategy is perfect, then they are must show on the top on here. They are not showing on the top here. That means they are not doing the good job for the camping. So we need to research the competitors before running the ads. We can check the keywords, descriptions, and others how they are doing. By this, we can take a decision regarding our campings. Also, keyword research. So I also mentioned the keyword research. So for the landing page, the landing page you will target, you need to research the keyword from here and select your proper keyword for running there. Also, in the keyword session, you will see that here is the two sessions: top of page bidding, lower and higher. Lower means for per click, Google will cost like for this keyword, Google will cost 90 cent. If you want to rank rank by PPC, on top you need to must pay lowest 8 0.89, and highest will be the 3.68. So the CPC, if we show that ad on the top, the CPC will be this and this divided by the middle number. So for this keyword, CPC will be at least 1.4 or 5 if you want to show the ads on the top. Okay, so now I'm going to the setup part. Setup is one is the camping setting setup. I will show you those things on the whenever I run the camping. So I'm just going to skip these sessions at this moment. Okay, so how do we generate the content and add copies? We can directly use ChatGPT, Thai AI, then the bot, also the Word. Those are the good tools for researching the ad copies. So you just select your keyword, give the instruction on the ChatGPT and other AI tools. They will give you the proper ad copies. Also research competitors, how they are writing their descriptions for the search camping. By this you can take your decision your description. So if I go to the next sessions, in the next session, here is the some basic rules. Like basic rules is that keyword must uh, we suppose we have selected 5 keyword for running the search campaign. So you must use those keyword on the headlines. If you do not use those keyword on the headlines, your quality score will be poor. If your quality score will be poor, then ad cost will be higher. I will show you the quality score. Then you must use those keyword in the description sessions. And if you use the keyword on the like URL, it will be also more good, but it's not mandatory. But also use those keyword on the extension session. It will be helpful for increasing the quality score. For excuse me, for increasing the CTR, that means click through action, increasing the CTR, and we need to use like some keywords that are relevant with your search camping. If you're running ads, search camping for the shopping ads, you need to add shop now, buy now, order now. But if you are selling any business or giving any service, you need to give those learn more, get code, discover, like those. So here I also give an example. Like if you do not use the keyword in the extension session, like suppose here is the shop now. This is not a good job, a good practice, good job. But if we use shop, like you are selling women shoes, so you use shop women shoes online. This is a good practice. So we need to use the keyword on the extension session. Okay, so if I go to the next slide, there is some major types of Google search camping, and we need to follow this. And first of all, here is the features. So this is about highlighting the physical aspect of the product and service. If you are selling mattress, suppose mattress, maybe one keyword feature is memory foam. So like suppose you are selling mattress for your home. So so mattress, beginning of the matrix, you can use the memory foam. That means for the matrix is a keyword, but you are giving suffix before the matrix keyword. That means it will be the more relevant with the keyword, and people can understand what is the feature of the keyword or the product or the service. That means the main focus word, main important word need to be used before the keyword after running the campaign. And you need to use the beneficial word, like what is the benefit of the service of this product than others. Like uh, this is the matrix keyword. You are using the more restful sleep. What we are using? More restful sleep. So matrix, then we can use this relevant keyword. That means that it will be the beneficial of the product. It will be increase the click-through rate on the website. If the click-through rate increase, then the quality screen increase, ad cost will be decreased. And also for the testimonial, so if we introducing anything on marketplace, like you have run a new product, then you need to write grade, a best and perfect product, like this on the before the keyword. And those are also few things like luxurious. That means the suffix word we need to use on the keywords, so that the click-through rate increasing. Is this like for the suggestion of the keyword which can be more better if you use the keyword with the suffix. So in this slide, search camping do not sell a false bill of goods. That means whenever you run the ads, you do not give any misinformations on the ads, so that people just click, come website, then the engagement session is zero. That means they do not stay on the website due to the false informations. And also we need to maintain the character limitations. I also mentioned that headline will not be more than 30 character, description will not be more than the 90 character. Need to maintain the sentence formatting. We do not, Google and other search engine do not allow the special character to use on the headlines, also the description. That means you cannot use like those symbol on the like headline and description on search campaign. So must be the only the sentence or the character, not other things, alphabet. Okay, so for the search campaign, suppose I am selling shows, so like only shows. So we can use some relevant word with the shows. Like here for shows, I give online show warehouse, and other words the all is still up to 50% off. That means with the shows we have given online warehouse. That means there are also more product the customer can purchase. I make this relevancy with the shows with the keyword, and I also given the special offer words in the extension so that they can see that there are 50% off, and click here, visit our website. Also here given the extension for like shop our large selection of color and still free shipping of on order of 75. Here I have used the apostrophe, but apostrophe is not usable on the search camping. If you use the apostrophe and special character, Google will mark it as the red color. It ad will not be show all of the audience. So here I also given some suggestion how can we use the keyword with the proper extensions. Okay, so there are two type of search camping on Google. One is the standard search camping, another is the dynamic search camping. I'll show you how to run the dynamic search camping on Google. Dynamic search camping is more easier. You just give here two headline with one is for 30 character, another is for 40 character, and a short description with 60 character. And use a URL. Google will automatically optimize the URL, take URL from your landing page, and run the camping automatically based on your audience behavior of the landing page. So dynamic camping is more easiest. It's need only 1 to 3 minutes for running the dynamic camping. But we are talking about the standard camping. On there are also bad side on the dynamic camping. Google cost will be increased. Like conversion will be decreased because they will maintain it by the AI machine learning from of Google. So if I go to the next slide, how can we generate the content? I also mentioned that we can generate the content from the third-party AI tools. We suggest ChatGPT is the best solution for generating the content and add copy for search it. Okay, now this is the short lecture regarding the search camping. Now I'm going to create a camping, search camping on Google regarding this website and landing page. So for running the search camping, first of all, I think you are familiar with the Google dashboard. So this is the Google old dashboard. New dashboard is different and complex. And I for this though due to the complexity, I showing you the old dashboard. So this is the old dashboard of Google Ads. So here you will see that new camping. So click on here for running the search camping. Then you will see that there are object of campings. Here are many object. So our object, like we are selling products. This is the e-commerce basis website. So they need to sell products. So our object is selling products. So our object is here sales. So here also you will see that there are some like conversions. We need to set those conversion from the Google Tag Manager. So I think I done a class for the Google Tag Manager, and you can see how to set the conversion. Without setting the conversion, you cannot run ads because Google cannot be track your data properly. If the data are not trackable, then your ads will be confused. What is the result? We cannot take decisions which keyword which keyword is performing, which keyword is not performing. So before running that, you must set up the conversion tracking. So in the initial stage, whenever we run any camping, in the initial stage, we need to do more audience on website. We cannot focus on the sales. We need to focus on the audience so that we can check the audience behavior from the Google Analytics for how they are interacting, how they are engaging, their engaging ratio, their add to cart ratio, their product page view ratio, their add to cart remove ratio. By seeing and monitoring everything, we can take the decision who is audience and whose audience segmentation is perfect for the ads. Then we can move forward with the sales campaign. But in the initial stage, it is not perfect solution. It's not perfect practice or good practice for running the ads only the purchase. So In the initial stage, I always suggest to use being checkout, purchase, contact, add to cart, and other things. So I just selecting every one of them because in the initial stage we need to generate traffic. So also whenever you do the sales camping, only sales camping, you can move forward with the sales camping when there are almost 10 to 15 conversion done in your website. Conversion means you have sold 15 products, 15 quantity products, not a single person, 15 different peoples. Like if your business is like generating the lead, if you generate 15 leads, then you need to focus on the sales and your the like your goals. But at this moment we do not have the 15 conversion, we have only 3 conversion on our website, so we need to select all of them. So just going to the click on the continue, then all of the goals will be automatically select from here. You can also remove any of the mm, goals from here. Just click on the dot, you can remove from here. Okay, so you will see that here are showing a blur button. That means the contact session are not working properly. Why are not contact session working properly? Because there are maybe the phone number are not properly verified, for this is it is showing properly, but other things are not showing any issues. So I think uh, for other things the ad will be checked properly. So whenever you select the camping goals, then you will see that here are some camping types. In the last meeting I mentioned that there are 6 type of camping: search camping, performance max camping, display camping, shopping camping, video, that is YouTube video camping, and demand generation camping. So demand generation is the another part. I think you are not familiar with the demand generations. Basically, big giant companies, or the if you hand over this project on Google, they will run first all demand generation campaign, so that they can understand regarding the demand of the product on the marketplace. This is the demand generation. So I'm searching search camping. Sorry, I'm running search camping. So I click here on the search sessions. So here you will see that select the way you like to reach your goals. So here are website visits, phone call, store visit, app download. Which will be the your goals for the ads? Like someone has launched a new apps on the Play Store. They want to they want people will be like download the apps, then you can select the apps download. Store visits, like you have only a landing page, you are giving uh, 1 to 3, or like someone purchase one product, you are giving 3 product free. Then your goal will be, or the your reach will be the store visit, because you have the confidence that you are giving 1 to 3 offer. If they visit, they will purchase or they will do any transaction. And phone call, so you are selling any business or providing any service, or you are selling ticket online, then you can use your phone call here. But our goals is different. Our goals is direct traffic on our website, so we will select the visit website. So we need to copy the website URL, push here, because we need to visit our website to this link. I think here is the link. Can you see? This is the link they have used. So I'm using this link on the search it, so that people can switch. Whenever they click, they can directly move to our this landing page. Okay, so now I'm giving the name of the camping. Like uh, always try to give the camping name based on the your goal or the landing page. So my landing page is covering all of the product, all of the categories. So I'm just giving here, whenever you run the camping, right, try to write your name. Like I am a member of Hello ASI, so Hello ASI. This is the code, because like suppose there are many agency work on Google Ads. Suppose previous agency has used their code, you are a agency, you need to use your code, so that you can understand that this ad has run by you and this ad is not run by you. So always use your uh, office code or your name before the camping, so that you can understand that this camping is managed by you or prepared by you. And this is the search camping. In the middle you have used search camping, and the last you need to use the landing page name. So this is our all of the product combination landing page. So I'm giving here name, all products, or all keywords, all, sorry, all all products. So this is the name. Then I, in the footer session, you will see that here is a cancel and continue. So I must create on continue because I will complete the ads. Whenever you click on the continue, you will see that here are some bidding strategy or bidding session has come. In the search camping, we can use couple of the bidding sessions. Like here are conversions. That means what is the conversions? Suppose you want to generate traffic. No, you want to generate phone calls. So if someone call you once time, this is a conversion, one conversion. So if three people call you, this is three conversions. So for the business purpose, like any service purpose, you need to use the conversion. And if you it is your e-commerce business, like selling products, you need to select the conversion value. But yeah, you need to select the value. But there is another session that set a target return on ads spent. It's optional. So what is this? So if I select this, you will see that target ROAS. ROAS means return on ad spent. That means you are telling Google that cost my $100, give me $500 sales. Standard ROAS on Google is 500, 400 to 500%. That means if you cost $100, you will generate $500. This is the standard. If we reach more, it is your creativity. If you do not reach to the 400 to 500%, it's your lackings. You need to find out the issue, then make to the make the ads more better. In the initial time of the meeting or the lecture, I mentioned you that we need to set at least 15 sales from the website. Then we can move with the like sales campaign, right? And whenever I select the 500% ROAS, here is the sorry, yellow signal that they are telling that my conversion is not 15 in the life cycle of the Googlers. So they will not allow me for doing any sales camping at this moment. So I working on this. My boss Shan has told me that why we are not running the sales camping on this account. I told him that we cannot run the sales camping at this moment because we need at least 15 conversion. Then we can run the sales camping. From this account, I got 3 conversions at this moment. Almost $250, cost 170 maybe, and generated sales 100 250 to up. So we need to at least 15 conversions. Until that, you need to wait. If you go to the Google Expert also give you service. They also follow this process. There are nothing else. So I cannot give you the fixed value return on ad invest at this moment because 15 conversion here is not done already. So I'm just just removing the mark from here. So going to the next session now. In the next session, you will see that here are two network session. One is the search network, and another is the display network. What is the search network? I'm just briefing what is the search network. There is the cricket website CrickBuzz. I think you are know about this. I am a cricket lover. For this reason, I saw this. So there is search network. Can you see here are ads showing ICC World Cup? Like there is the betting site showing. This is Grand Magra maybe. Okay, so there are also this is the partner side. There is the search network, display network. So the ad showing on the top, this is the display network. Can you see? I think you see this is the display network. Then if I go down, you will see that couple of the ads are showing on the partner website. Now I'm not showing, but most of the time showing. If I go local basis, like in our country there is a online paper. So here you can see that lots of ads are visible. If I select, first all, here has come a new camping. This is the display camping. This is the display camping. Automatically has come. I will need to cancel this. Mm, here also, like here also display camping. Here also display camping. Here also display camping. Here also display camping. There are lots of display camping are showing on here. So this is the display network. So what is the search network? Search network is that suppose someone is blogging, like we are selling the carbide tools. So someone has created a website. There has lots of information regarding the carbon tools or the cutting tools. So whenever they search on this website, they will show they will see our product on here. So this is the search network and display network. And in the down of the network sessions, you will see that here is the locations. I think you all know about the locations. In the last class we have discussed regarding this. Then here is the language sessions. So based on your keyword, based on your locations, you can select the language. So I'm running the ads for the United States, so I'm just selecting only English. So is the audience segmentations or audience segment. So what is the audience segment? Audience segment is this: you will target your audience for your product. Like I'm selling the carbide tools or the electric tools at this moment. I will not select the audience who are selling, who are interested in food, right? So if you write search your food, you will see that four relevant audience are showing here. So my concern is the tools, carbide tools and the cutting tools. So I'm selecting the tools and cutting tools. Just search here, you will see that some of the suggestion are showing. Then select the proper keyword from here. Okay, so now I'm going to the next sessions. If I click on the next sessions, you'll see that here is the ad group one. You can create multiple ad in a camping. That means suppose you are targeting, like here, like this is the category 1 2 3 4 5. Like suppose there are 10 categories, you want to run 10 ad group for the different landing page with the different keyword. So then we can select carbide in meals as a first ad group. Second is the carbide trails, insert boards, like this name. So I'm just targeting all of the page. For this reason, I'm just giving here the brand name so that I can understand that this is the all of the combination of the keywords. So you will notice that in the initial stage we have given a website URL on the camping. So whenever I give the website URL, Google automatically has given us some keywords. Here is the generated keywords that Google has already given. So now I'm just checking those keywords are relevant with our products. So carbide in mills is relevant with my products. So I'm taking this one. So mm, cutting tools, carbide drills, milling tools, cutting tools. I'm just selecting only those keywords. And yeah, those keyword I am just selecting. So I will not target all of the keyword. I'm just selecting only 4 keyword. And whenever we run the ad, we need to understand different type of keyword. So there are 3 type of keyword that I discussed in the last class. So the one is the phrase mesh, another is the broad mesh, another then other is the exact mesh. So whenever you directly use your keyword, this called exact mesh. Sorry, I give you misinformation. This is not exactness. Mm, 1 second, please. It says phrase mess, brightness. exactness, broadness. So there are three types of keyword. One is phraseness, broadness, exactness. So there is the symbol phraseness, broadness, exactness. Sorry. So suppose I'm making this keyword phraseness. This is phraseness. Now what is the phraseness? So here is the carbide in mills. When someone search by the carbide in mills, uh, USA, USA, they will see our ads. But our keyword is the carbide in mills. But they also use extra word USA, or they do not use they also use USA and shop carbide in mills. They will see our product because I make it phraseness. So what is the phraseness? If your keyword are available in the ad group or the search term, full keyword available in the search term, then ad will be show. This is the phraseness. I think you understand. So what is the broadness? Suppose this is the keyword. If you directly use your keyword as a keyword, then it is broadness. So if you use your keyword as a broadness, if someone search by meal, like just meal, they will see our ads. If someone search by int, they will see our ad. If someone search by carbide, they also see our ad. If someone search by in mill, they also see our ad. So if someone search by carbide in, they also see our ads. That means if someone search single word of them, they'll see our ad. This is not good practice. Broadness is not good practice. If you have the loss of budget, loss like 10,000, 20,000, $30,000 per month, then you can use broadness. Rather, other than I always suggest to use the phraseness. Now, exactness. What is the exactness? If someone search by only the carbide in mills, they will see the product or ads. Only search by carbide in mills, they will see the product. You'll see that here lots of ads are showing sponsor, 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 like lots of ads. First, top three is the sponsor, then others is the organic. So if someone search by the in mills, carbide in mills, they will see the product. This is the exactness. So please remember and note the three type of keyword: phraseness, broadness, exactness. Oh, I see. All of are available. Okay, so this is the three type. Please must remember, understand three types of keyword. If you don't understand three type of keyword, search camping is valueless for you. You cannot run search camping. You cannot monitor search camping. You cannot give any result from the search camping. Okay, okay, now I am going to the Google Ads again. So here is the Google Ads. I use this keyword, and if you go drop, you will see that final URL. So I'm using the final URL, and here also the display path. What is the display path? So like this is my website. If I click a website another page, you will see that here also after the slide here also showing something, right? So this is the display. After the URL, other things are display path. It's not mandatory you can use or not. If we have any specific like carbide, Cobra carbide, like I'm just giving here specific information cutting tools. What is this? Cutting tools. So whenever they visit our website, they'll see sorry, cutting tools. They'll see our URL like this. One second. They will see our URL like this by a hyphen like this. So this is the display path. Okay, so in the middle of the camping, I mentioned you that there are some issue are showing that conversion of the calls are showing blue color because our number are not verified. So if I click here, you will see that I already given the numbers here. So if you select the number, then it will be fixed. Now it has been fixed. Okay, now we also discuss in the initial stage that there are two session. One is the headlines. Sorry, three session. One is the headline, another is the description, and another is the extension. So I also mentioned you that in the description, headline session, we need to use only 30 character keywords or 30 character sentence, not more than 30 character. I also mentioned you that we need to use must keyword on the headline sessions. So I'm going to use those keyword as a headline session, and remember that one second, add upper is converter, uppercase converter. So I just make them as a title case. Why I have make this title case? I also mentioned you in the lecture sheet that we need to make those as a title case. Like here, someone has running there. This maybe I do not know how to run that. He used lowercase, but this is more intelligent. He used uppercase. So in the title session, you must use the keyword as the uppercase. Sorry, not uppercase, sentence case or title case. Okay, so I'm just going to use all of the keyword on the heading sessions. So first keyword was the carbide in mills. So I select the carbide in mills. Second is the cutting tools. Here is the cutting tools. Third one was the milling tools. Here is the third one. I'm skipping the third one. This one I will tell you why I skip this. Carbide drills. Here is the carbide drills. Like I given here. Automatically a keyword has generated, not automatically. Previously I used this keyword. For this season is available also showing here, like premium cutting tools. This is a good keyword. If someone see that premium cutting tools, it will be more give a good quality informations for our products, so I can use this. Also I have told you that we need to use here shop now by sorry by now by now this type of order now, shop online, buy online, this type of uh, promotional word, like here showing the carbide ending tools buy now. That means this is not informatical ad, this is the shopping and buying ads. People can understand. There will be riders and others. Irrelevant people will not click here, relevant people will be click here, and the conversion rate will be increased from here. Okay, now if I go to the next sessions, here already three description already generated, not generated, I use this before this. For this season they are showing here. So now I'm writing description for those keywords. So first of all, go to the ChatGPT, give me as copy for this URL, sorry, for this those keywords. So they give us lots of ad copies. Check them carefully, read them carefully, take the relevant one. So this performance is, so this keyword, this description I like more. Take this for first one. I also mentioned that we cannot use those apostrophe word or the special character. For this one, I remember. So for the first keyword, I taken a ad copy, and now I'm just working for the second one. If I copy the second, suppose I chosen this, I have chosen this. So you just check properly for your uh, keyword and description. You need to use at least two or three here. I'm just now using two here, but make sure at least two, or at least two. You can also two, three, four, highest four. And here one thing I skipped, forget mistakenly. So here you will see that there is the pin button. So what is the use of this pin button? So pin button is that whenever you click on here, you can select this keyword as the first position, like shop now, carbide emails. Also, I also mentioned that here will show you the two keyword combinations. So if you want this keyword will be must visible on the ad, you can pin it from here. Suppose this is cutting tools, I'm just ensuring that Google will must showing cutting tools, then other combinations, then just pin it from here. Also you can unpin from here. There's the remove sessions. Sorry, this is the remove sessions. Yeah. So use a branded keyword as a pin so that your branded keyword also show on here. So now I'm going to the next sessions. You'll see that here are the extensions. So you can use here many extension, contract and catalog, address, about us here. Like I already created those extension, and now I'm creating another one extension so that you can understand. So whenever I click on the extension, I'm going again create on the extension session. You will see that here are many couple of the extension are showing. You can use at least one. Suppose Shan told me that we need to use our number. So here, if they are available page on your website or from other things, you can direct the customer here. If you have a special offer, like you have 10%, sorry, 10% off for Black Friday. Sorry for the inconvenience. 10% off for Black Friday. Like now is going the Black Friday camping and other things. So 10% off for the Black Friday. And second one, you can give the your product name like carbide tools or the cutting tools, so that people can understand which product is 10% off for the Black Friday. And third one, you can use short descriptions like here, trust your cutting tools like this. Here, then you can use your, here is the more than 35 characters. I'm just uh, removing something. It's not a good practice. You need to check the description properly before publishing this. So I'm just selecting this URL as a extension URL. Create, you will see that new extension had created and automatically selected for the Black Friday extension. Save it, and it will be saved automatically on here. And go to the next sessions. You almost done. In the next session, you will just select the budget. Like here are suggesting recommended $5. If you click on the set custom budget, you can set as your sweet oil. So I'm just recommending to $5. Then go to the next, and it is checking for errors. Like I also mentioned here that there are some rules and regulation. We cannot use a special character and other things. Those are checking. So after checking there, if you have any issue on the mistake on the ad skimping, here will be the red colors buttons. It will not, it cannot publish that after fixing those. So at this moment there are no issue at my account, so I can publish the camping from here. So my boss told me that do not publish camping on this account at this moment, because client has, this is the client concern. So I'm not publishing the camping at this moment. So I'm just going to cut this, and you will see that there is the option whenever cut, make, save it for later, cancel, save it for later. So I'm making it for save it for later. If I need to publish, then I will go again in the camping session. Then you will see that camping is on the draft. Whenever I click on the finish, then I can run the camping that I have worked on this. So this is the overview of camping. I think if you see the video, also I will send you the SOP. See the video and SOP. You can generate much idea from the video. Also, you can run the airs for better practice. If you have any question on this, just let me know. I must give you answer. Also, if you have any question suggestion, just write on the YouTube channel or our Facebook page. We will must give you the answer. Also, if you have need any suggestion and any help regarding the Googlers, just let us know on our mail or YouTube channel. We'll list on you. So, team, do you have any question or suggestion, please?
Okay, guys, do you guys have any questions or any feedback?
One thing I need to tell you that at this moment, uh, like developer can develop the website. After developing the website, developer do not have any tasks or responsibilities. Sometimes they just update many feature after 1 year later. But a digital marketer always work on a website. Digital marketing tasks will not be finished, and digital marketing tasks will not be automations. Google Ads will not be automation. Facebook ads, social media ad, digital marketing can't be automations. So if you do more focus on our skill, if you learn multiple tasks like SEO, Google Ads, Facebook ads, social media marketing, on page, off page, blogging, tag manager, other things, uh, from the next 5 year to until date will be your time. I can guarantee. I'm a computer engineer. I am involved on digital marketing because from today 3 to 5 years ago, I think the beneficiality of the digital marketing. Whenever you use mobile phone, when you browse YouTube, Facebook, and other social media, you must see the ads. Who is running the ads? Digital marketer. So there are lots of company are hiring lots of people for the ads, but there are no sufficient as developer or digital marketer at this marketplace. Lots of people are learning, but if you learn faster, then we can move forward with them. But if you do more focus on the one skill, it will be very hard for us to capable, because sometimes one skill will be down. So if you have the multiple skill, you can use this skill anytime, anywhere. So this is a suggestion as a colleague. So if you have any suggestion, just let me know. Okay, Kim, I think I am done today. So if
Thanks,
you have
Abdullah.
suggestion, okay,
Thank
if you
you,
suggestion,
Abdullah.
okay, thank you too. And I think
Thank
video
you.
has downloaded. Please upload on the YouTube channel.
It's already on YouTube. We've been live streaming earlier. So yeah, you guys can always check to replay it on the Hello ASI YouTube channel. So yeah, thank you.
Thanks,
Okay, thank you
Kim.
very much.
Guys have a
Bye bye.
great rest of your day.
Thank you. Thank you.